my name is Jilan and I'll be guiding you through the process of adding service fees in Ewity. So creating fees may be important for your business, and here at Ewity you can create as many fees as you wish. So first, make sure your service fees is enabled in your Ewity account. So to do that, open the Ewity side menu and click on admin and go to settings and select service fees, where you can enable the service fee module and update settings once you've made the changes. Then next, go to service fee from the admin tab and click on the new service fee button here at the top right and fill the name, for example service fee, and the rate type and the rate amount. Then select the taxes you would like to apply on the service fee by ticking the appropriate boxes. You can also change which type of bills would automatically have the service fee by clicking on the auto apply type and selecting bill types. And finally, select the create fee button to create your service fee. And that's how you add a service fee in Ewity. Thanks for watching and thank you for using Ewity Point of Sale.